Planning for your honeymoon but confused about the destination? You're not alone. This is a common predicament for many newlyweds. After all, it's not just a vacation. It's a celebration of your love and the beginning of your shared journey. The right destination can transform this special occasion into a magical memory. A memory that will bring a smile to your faces even after decades. Well, we have sifted through the world map and picked 4 countries that will turn your honeymoon into an unforgettable experience. Starting our countdown at number 4, we have the beautiful land of Greece. This Mediterranean gem is ancient yet modern, bustling yet serene, and the perfect blend of history and romance. Imagine strolling through the narrow cobblestone lanes of Santorini, hand in hand with your loved one, as the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky with hues of pink and gold. Or how about a candlelit dinner in Mykonos, where the tantalizing flavors of Greek cuisine dance on your palate, accompanied by the soothing rhythm of the Aegean waves. In Greece, every island tells a story, each more fascinating than the last. From the archaeological marvels of Athens to the idyllic beaches of Crete, there's something for everyone, but it's not just about the sights. The heartwarming hospitality of the Greeks, their vibrant festivals, and their passion for life add that extra sprinkle of magic to your honeymoon experience. If you and your partner are history buffs or simply love the idea of spending time in picturesque islands, Greece is the place to be. Coming in at number 3 on our list is the charming country of Italy. When you think of romance, Italy might be one of the first places that come to mind. And rightfully so, with its dreamy cities like Venice, where you can take a gondola ride under the moonlight, or Rome, where history intertwines with modern life at every corner. Italy is truly a lover's paradise. Imagine indulging in mouth-watering Italian cuisine, sipping on world-class wines, and strolling through picturesque countryside vineyards. The vibrant culture and warm locals add to the allure, making every moment memorable. But Italy isn't just about cities. The Italian Riviera, with its azure waters and beautiful beaches, is an idyllic retreat. And then there's the Amalfi Coast, a stretch of coastline known for its cliffside villages and stunning views, a must-visit spot for honeymooners. With its blend of modern and ancient attractions, Italy promises a honeymoon filled with romance and adventure. Taking the second spot on our list is none other than the tropical paradise Maldives. This archipelago of 26 atolls in the Indian Ocean is a symphony of sun, sand, and surf that beckons honeymooners from across the globe. Imagine frolicking on pristine white beaches. The sand is soft as powdered sugar under your feet, while the ocean, a mesmerizing blend of turquoise and sapphire, laps gently at the shore. But the beauty of Maldives doesn't end at the water's edge. Dive beneath the waves to discover a vibrant, technicolor world teeming with marine life. From playful dolphins to majestic manta rays, the waters of Maldives offer an underwater spectacle unlike any other. When it comes to accommodation, the Maldives is synonymous with luxury. Here you'll find resorts that redefine opulence, complete with overwater bungalows that provide an intimate connection with the surrounding seascape. Picture waking up to the gentle lullaby of waves and stepping out onto your private deck to greet the sunrise. For couples looking for the ultimate beach getaway, the Maldives offers a slice of heaven on earth. And finally, landing the top spot on our list is the ever-romantic France. A country that has been synonymous with love and romance for centuries, France is a dream destination for honeymooners worldwide. From the iconic Eiffel Tower that stands tall in the heart of Paris to the charming cobblestone streets lined with quaint cafes and boutiques, France is a treasure trove of romantic experiences. Picture this, strolling hand in hand along the Seine under the soft glow of the setting sun, or sharing a cozy dinner at a Michelin-starred restaurant, savoring world-class French cuisine. But the romance of France doesn't end in Paris. Venture beyond the city of love, and you'll find a beautiful countryside dotted with vineyards, lavender fields, and fairy tale chateaus. Here you can embark on a wine tasting tour in Bordeaux, or a scenic drive through the picturesque Loire Valley. And let's not forget the French Riviera, a sun-drenched playground of the rich and famous where you can soak up the sun on stunning beaches, explore glamorous seaside towns, and enjoy spectacular views of the Mediterranean. Whether you're a city lover or a nature enthusiast, France offers a diverse array of experiences that cater to all tastes and preferences. For a classic fairy tale honeymoon, look no further than France. It truly is the epitome of love and romance.